Hello, this is Dr. Joe Malcheski, and I'm a professor for this class, Economics 2401, Principles of Macroeconomics. First thing, a little bit about me. I've been teaching at Waldorf as an adjunct professor. We're looking at about 8 years now, possibly nine if I think back a little bit. I have taught this course quite a few times. I think I'm up around 14 or 15 times teaching this class. I do really enjoy. I am an engineer by trade. I do enjoy economics, but also I do teach the principles of microeconomics also. And I just wanted to welcome you. I have, as I said, been an adjunct here for quite a few years. I also teach at some other schools. I do teach supply chain management and some other courses here at Waldorf. What I wanted to tell you about this class is I enjoy it very much. Like I said, it is a little bit out of what I ordinarily do, but that makes it all the more, let's say, fun to do, fun to teach. Uh, if you have any questions, please, you could see my contact information, Joseph, Joseph dot Milczewski at waldorf.edu. My phone number is 330-208-6931. You can call, you can text, you can email me. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I check my emails a few times daily. Of course, got my phone on me like everybody else, and always checking the messages and things like that, voicemails. So please get in touch with me. Like I said, you can get in touch with me anytime you really want to. I'll try to get back to you ASAP, or at least I'll acknowledge that I have received your text or your email, and we'll get back to the information as needed. As I said, I've been an engineer for, let's say, more than 3 decades, doing capital projects, continuous improvement, things like that. So very knowledgeable about the economics involved in businesses and things like that. I spent a lot of money in my days doing an engineer. Now I'm a full-time teacher, but we're looking at the big picture economics here, and as you go through, you can see. I'm sorry I'm a little late on this video. uh, Having a little trouble getting my video for some reason. I am tied into YouTube and was trying to record on there, and it was not letting me, so I had to come in with a different way of doing it finally. So I apologize for that. As you see, you have all the assignments, discussion boards. I try to give you feedback on each individual student, and then if you look under the announcements after I grade your discussion boards and assignments, I usually will drop something for the whole class based on what the previous week's assignments were. So as I said, hope you enjoy this class. And like I said, if you need to get in touch with me, please get in touch with me. Have a good term here. Next, I think we got about 6.5 weeks off.